A factory reset on the HyperX Alloy Origins 60 is a complete restoration process that returns your keyboard to its original manufacturer settings. During a factory reset, several customized settings are completely erased and returned to default values. This includes all custom key mappings you've created, any RGB lighting profiles you've configured, game mode settings, and stored user profiles. You should perform a factory reset when experiencing unresponsive keys or erratic keyboard behavior, when facing software conflicts with the Ingenuity software, if your lighting profiles become corrupted, or before selling or transferring ownership of your keyboard. As of August 2025, recent firmware updates have significantly streamlined the factory reset process, making it more accessible and reliable. These improvements include enhanced integration with Ingenuity software and better overall stability, making factory resets an essential tool for maintaining optimal keyboard performance. Understanding when and why to perform a factory reset is crucial for any HyperX Alloy Origins 60 owner, as it serves as the primary troubleshooting method for most keyboard-related issues. There are three primary methods to factory reset your HyperX Alloy Origins 60 keyboard. Each method is effective, so you can choose the one that works best for your situation. Method 1 is the hardware reset. This is the most reliable method and works even when software issues prevent other methods from functioning. Step 1. Disconnect the keyboard from your computer completely. Make sure the USB cable is fully unplugged. Step 2. Hold down the ESC key, which is highlighted in red on the keyboard, and while holding it, reconnect the USB cable to your computer. Step 3. Continue holding the ESC key for 5 to 10 seconds after reconnection. You'll see the RGB lights flash to confirm the reset is in progress. Step 4. Release the ESC key and wait 30 seconds for the reset process to complete. The keyboard will return to its default settings. Method 2 uses a key combination reset. This method works when the keyboard is already connected and functioning. Press and hold the FN key, F12 key, and right shift key simultaneously. The FN key is highlighted in the bottom left, F12 is shown with the diagonal line, and both shift keys are highlighted in white. Hold all three keys for 5 seconds until you see the RGB lights flash, indicating the reset is in progress. Then release all keys and wait for the process to complete. Method 3 uses the HyperX Ingenuity software for a reset. This method is convenient when you have the software installed and want to reset specific settings. Follow these 5 steps. Open the HyperX Ingenuity software, navigate to Device Settings, select Reset to Default, confirm when prompted, and restart the software to verify the changes took effect. Before using any of these reset methods, always remember to back up your custom profiles in the Ingenuity software. Factory resets will permanently erase all your custom key mappings, macros, RGB lighting profiles, and game mode settings.